Good morning children and welcome to the online session of English Grammar of class 5. So we had already completed the first chapter and now we will move to a new chapter called the sentence. So let us read. Read the following groups of words. Have homework I my finished? Second number, my homework. Third number, I have finished my homework. Now, all these are sentences, children. But do they make any sense? In the first sentence, it is written, have homework I my finished. All the words are not arranged properly. So it is not a complete sentence. In the second sentence, we see it is written my homework. It makes some sense, but the meaning is not complete. So we look at the third sentence. I have finished my homework. The sentence is complete and is meaningful. So let us read further. The group of words in example 1 does not make any sense. I told you, have homework I my finished. All the words are not arranged properly. Example 2. Make sense but not complete sense. Here, my homework. It makes some sense but the meaning is incomplete. Next, example 3. Makes complete sense. I have finished my homework. It makes complete sense, children, and the sentence is complete. So therefore, example 3 is a sentence. Now let us know what is a sentence. First we have to begin with what is a sentence. So here is the definition of a sentence. Look very carefully. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Complete sense means complete meaning. A sentence is a group of words. Here in all the three examples we have seen these are group of words. All three sentences are group of words. But the first two sentences are not complete. In the first sentence, there are, you can see 5 group of words, but the words are not arranged properly. I have written here, I is written here, have is written in the first place, homework is written in the second place, and at last finish is written. It is not arranged properly, children. So it is not a proper sentence. Now in the second sentence, my homework, it does make some sense, but still it is not complete. But when I say, I have finished my homework, now the meaning is complete. So, what are the features of a sentence? Let us see. First of all, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Now, a sentence makes a complete sense. This is the first feature of a sentence. Second, a sentence begins with a capital letter. Okay? So you have seen in the third example, the sentence is beginning with a capital letter. Although in the first two examples also, the sentence was beginning with capital letters, but still it was not a meaningful sentence. So it is very compulsory that you begin the sentence with a capital letter. Next, the words in a sentence must be in a proper order. So we saw it in the first sentence. In the first example, we have seen that the words were not arranged properly, and so it is not a complete sentence. A sentence ends with a full stop, a mark of exclamation, or a mark of interrogation. A sentence always completes with a full stop. So here you can see a full stop. In the first two examples there were no full stops. But in the third example we can see it. But it is not necessary that it has to end with full stop. It can also end with an exclamation mark. This is an exclamation mark or a mark of interrogation or question mark. Third, a sentence must contain a verb. So, a sentence should always contain a verb. A verb is the main part of a sentence. See children, if there is no verb, a sentence cannot be complete. So here in the third sentence, I have finished my homework. Have finished is the verb. Have is the helping verb and finished is the main verb. So without a verb, a sentence is incomplete. Just as a human being, we require a heart to live. Without a heart, a human being cannot survive. In the same way, in the sentence also, we need a verb. So you cannot end a sentence with a comma, semicolon or any other punctuation mark. So you have to always end a sentence either with a full stop or with an exclamation mark or with a question mark. Alright. So let us look at some other examples. Some examples of sentences are: Vineet is a good singer. Why were you absent yesterday? What a pleasant day it is. I don't want to visit the fair. So you can see the children, the letters highlighted with red color and the words highlighted with blue color. Can you see it? Yes. Thus, we can see that. Look at this box. A sentence is a group of words. So these are the points, children, that you have to remember when forming a correct sentence. A sentence is a group of words that we know that it is a bunch of words. Second, it makes complete sense. A sentence should convey some sense. It should have some meaning. Next, it has a verb or an action word highlighted in blue color. So all these words highlighted in blue color is the verb. What is a verb? Verb is a doing word. A verb is a doing word or an action word. This is called verb. Vineet is a good singer. So here is a verb. Why were you absent yesterday? Were is a verb. It is a helping verb. Is a helping verb. Were is also a helping verb. What a pleasant day it is. Is also a helping verb. I don't want to visit the fair. See, don't want. These two words are verbs. Don't and want. So, now next point. It begins with a capital letter. You can see it, all the letters highlighted in red. You know, it indicates that a sentence always begins with a capital letter, highlighted in red color. It ends with a full stop or question mark or an exclamation mark. I told you, okay, that one of the points that we have to remember, that it always ends either with a full stop or exclamation mark